Welcome you all in my English learning class. I hope to teach you English with its basic rules. So please pay attention and listen carefully what I am teaching to you. So we will start from very beginning. Our first video will be on the sentence. You all can see my first topic is the sentence. What the sentence is? A sentence is formed with a group of words. We all need words to express what we have in our mind. So, by combining all these words, we form a sentence. If we have these words, I, study, shall, lesson, my, these are different words. But are they making sense? No, because they have not been arranged properly. If we will arrange it properly, then it will surely make a sense. Like, I shall study my lesson. So you must have understood what the sentence is. A sentence is a group of words so arranged to make complete sense. So that those words can make a complete sense is called a sentence. Four types of sentences, means four kinds of sentences are there. So first one is assertive, that is also known as declarative sentences. Second one is imperative sentence. Third one is interrogative sentence, and the fourth and the last one is exclamatory sentence. So let's do this first sentence, that is assertive or declarative sentence. And they are the simple sentences, means we affirm or deny something. As if Kareem hit him hard, means Kareem hit him hard. Yeah, Raju hit him hard. Raju is studying. And in negative sentences like Kareem did not hit him hard, means in these types of sentences we affirm anything. We affirm means say yes, or we deny anything. Deny means in negative sentences. Deny means in negative sentence like Kareem did not hit him hard. Second one is imperative sentence. We request, we give order, we prohibit. In this type of sentences like close the door, we are giving command. Get out means you have to get out of the room. We are giving some order and we are giving some command. Come here means I am giving you command to come here. Stop smoking. I am prohibiting you to not to do something. All of you have got this sentence? Imperative sentence. These are the examples. Close the door, get out. And the third one is interrogative sentence. We all know what the interrogative sentences are. Like, who are you? What is your name? In which the statement or the sentence ends with a question mark. Ends with a question mark. If this question mark will be there, you will get to know that it is an interrogative sentence. And in interrogative sentence, we ask questions. We ask questions like, who are you? Who are you? What is your name? Where do you live? So these are all the questions. Now fourth one is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, in this exclamation sign, this is the exclamation sign, is used after a word to express one's feeling. Like, alas, he is no more, means he is dead, he is no more now. So what we say? Alas. Oh my God. OH, then exclamatory sentence. These are exclamatory sentence. Why? Because we have used the sign of exclamation. Like hooray, we won the match. Hooray, after hooray we are using which sign? Exclamatory sign. And this is, so we can know that this is an exclamatory sentence. So these are the 4 types of sentences and the definition of sentence which I have told you. And these are its type. I hope you have understood it properly, and if not, you can ask me at any time under the comment section. Please like and subscribe my video if you like it. Thank you.